We all have rainbows deep inside. Open up and won't reside. Appreciate diversity. We'll overcome adversity. We all have rainbows deep inside. Open up and won't reside. Appreciate diversity. We'll overcome adversity. We all have rainbows deep inside. Open up and won't reside. Appreciate diversity. We'll overcome adversity. We all have rainbows deep inside. Open up and won't reside. Appreciate.
Hi guys and welcome. Happy Valentine's Day. This is JB Rose, singing vegan mum, and I'm here to wish you a happy Valentine's and do a special Valentine's recipe for you. Today I've made something really simple, delicious and healthy. Also later on in the video I will show you excerpts of my little trip to my niece's house, who was trying to show me how to do all this fancy makeup, as well as clips of me and my sons having our little Valentine's thing together. So what's today's recipe? Today I've decided to do a gluten-free avocado pizza, and the bread base I have made with chickpea flour. Delicious. And then I have also made some really simple thing that you can have anytime, kale crisps. Crisps made out of kale, really good for you. And then the drink, I thought we'd add a little drink to it. So I've just made a simple cucumber and ginger juice, delicious. Eating healthy can be fun, so let's get into it guys. Let's get into it.
Rainbow lover, come.
Now, big bag of British kale. Now you want to thoroughly dry it. So I'm going to put it in this tea cloth. I don't have one of those salad dry things. Just dry it. We're going to put it on a tray. And then to our lovely dried kale, I'm going to add some smoked paprika, some salt, extra virgin olive oil, and then I'm just going to make sure it's nicely distributed, so I'll rub it all in.
Our love is strong every day. Rain makes healthy grassy picture plains. I am glad I'm not colorblind. Blue the sea, ocean deep, no rocks will ever come between. Swirling ripples of this loving kind. Red and blue make solid brown, earthy natural from the ground. Rainbow colors in the sky begin to end at Texas high.
My niece Khaiya's house. Me and my other niece thought we should go to the experts to try and get some advice on how to do the makeup thing, because really I'm just sort of like coasting, don't really know what I'm doing. And this is what happened. This is my niece. So I discovered already that you got to put concealer on the eye, right?
Yeah. So this is what we're going to do.
So I'm having a problem here because I don't actually have the brushes. My niece has all these brushes,
and then
both of them, but I don't. All I can do is watch.
Yep. So what we're going to do is going to tap like this.
Oh. See, my niece is just doing these things.
Like that. So it looks crazy, it looks scary.
So far I've learned that you have to put concealer on the eye.
Concealer,
but I haven't got the brushes, I left the brushes.
Like, obviously,
anyway,
you know, you have to use stuff like lighter if you're a bit darker. To make it pop. Yeah,
okay, so I've just learned something. I've learnt it. Yeah. Don't be afraid to use the colour in the pocket bit.
Yeah. Okay, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I'll use your brown then.
Anyway, look. I'm not like, really in this because I should have bought brushes and stuff.
So I'll do like 1, 2, 3, 1, just to get
the makeup thing. To be honest, I kind of lost interest, which is not really good because I should really focus my mind. I'm doing these videos, I'm supposed to know how to do the face. It will come, it will come. As time goes by, these things will come. Anyway, of course it's Valentine's. Earlier today, me and the boys went to Wagamama's and had some delicious lunch. We are eating Wagamama's.
I hate Valentine's Day.
My child says he hates Valentine's Day. These are my Valentine's boys eating up their food. So now guys, it's time for the taste test of the lovely, lovely food. You can share this with somebody or you can share it with yourself. Our cucumber and ginger juice. Delicious, really refreshing, really, really nice. I put a little bit of maple syrup in there, just give it a little bit of sweetness. Delicious. Of course, our kale crisp. Can you hear it? Crunch, crunch. You can hear it, crunch, crunch. It's beautiful. So anytime you feel like snacking, you're sitting in front of the TV, maybe you and your partner, your loved one, try some kale chips. Absolutely nice and crunchy and tasty and lovely, really lovely. So now the big, big test, my avocado pizza. So here we go with the pizza. Oh, very succulent. Really, really nice. Again, really subtle taste of the avocado. The pastry base is lovely and light. The avocado is very light and delicious. It's not very heavy. You know, like when you eat pizza normally, you feel a bit, oh. This is really nice and light. So give it a try, guys. What a lovely Valentine's meal. I wish you a wonderful day with your partner, with yourself, with your kids. Personally, I think these days are about being grateful for life, grateful for health, and if you do have family, grateful for who you have around you. See you next time. Stay blessed.